get started with the toiletries. So I have a little case from Muji that I'm going to just stuff with certain things like my contact lens case, my toothpaste, my foldable brush, contact lens solution, and razors, just anything that fits in here. That works out pretty well. Stuff like toothbrush, toothpaste, and travel packs of soap and conditioning. We go into this pack that can get wet from the inside. And I will also pack my extra mask and Cottonelle flushable cleaning cloth. This little one has some painkillers, drugs, lactate for my lactose intolerance. So these I will be putting into another bag. So this is all my toiletries. And then separately I have this will go in my backpack, not the bigger luggage. So this is my in-flight care bag. So this has one thing of a mask for the flight, towel, earplugs, first aid kit with Advil and Band-Aid, just every little thing that you might need on a flight. Hand cream, oh, there we go, and I also stuffed some for my zzz. And there's some hand sanitizers and what's this? Oh, it's a towelette. This is my in-flight care package. I bring a pair of light sandals that I can just toss because these are technically just one-time use. And these are my dress shoes. Not that dressy, but I don't wear heels, and so I need rubber soles. This case will be going on the bottom of my luggage. So this is for the table, and I will also be taking one that's not for the table, but I'm using it right now to film. So this is another little pack that I have. This is just a pencil case I got in Japan, and I put in my clicker, and this is a selfie stick and my plug-in microphone. Extra bag, my Longchamp bag, in case I need it for something. I have my fossil wristlet. This is my go-to travel bag. It's because it fits a lot, very malleable, and has a shoulder strap. Packing cubes that I got this time around. So this is the luggage that I'm taking with me, the Villa Bradley, and it's actually a rolly suitcase with a top and a bottom and a couple pockets. compression cube. So it's about this thick. This has, I think, 5 shirts, couple pants, underwear, pajamas, you know, socks, like all that in here. This fits perfectly. So between this one and this one, the smaller one, this is a whole entire week's worth of clothes. And for reference, this one has, I think, 2 dresses, stockings, and cardigan in here. And this one, the bottom one, has everything else in it. So this is a whole week's worth of not even just t-shirts and shorts, but pants, dress shirts, dresses, cardigans, all that jazz. Bottom is all filled. Let's go to the top. All packed.